Hi guys, this is Neat Code, and in this video I'll be showing you how to host your own website for free with Vercel. So if you're filling up for it, let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is to create a GitHub account if you don't have one. Then you also create a Vercel account. I'll put the link to the website in the description below. So when you have created your GitHub account, you need to create a new repository. So I'll go here. And let me name mine Vercel tests. Now keep in mind that you can't leave spaces in between because it won't work. Then calm down and create your repository. If you want to know more about creating repositories, I'll leave a link in the description to my blog where you can see how to create your own. Okay, now that we have created our repository, we'll click on create new file. Now let's call this index.html. Now keep in mind that you can't name it anything except from index.html. If not, the code won't work. So create a body tag and let's just create an h1 tag that says hello, this is a Vercel hosting test. Okay, and just commit it and commit. Okay, now that we have created the index.html file, next thing we'll do is to create the Vercel page which we use to host the website. Okay, so now that you've created your Vercel account as well, you will click on create new, then we'll go and project. Wait for it to load. Then over here you need to link your GitHub account. Right now I'm on GitLab, so I'll switch to GitHub. Then this is the Vercel test that we did, to import it. Then we just scroll down here and click on deploy. This will take a while, so let's just sit back and wait for it to finish deploying. I'll speed up the process so that it won't take time. Okay, so now it says congratulations, you have just deployed a new project to Vercel. So when we click on this, we can see our website and we can see the domain that we got here. We have vercel-test.9-phone-49.vercel.app. So you can change this in the settings. I'll do that in a later video. But yeah, this is how you can host your own website for free with Vercel. If you like this video, please do well to subscribe and like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.